Police searching a construction site in Okotoks, looking for clues just hours after a body was discovered here. Across the street, Sabrina Bathan is walking her dog.
It's awful. I can't believe it. We just moved in a week ago and yikes. It's pretty scary. You don't think it's going to happen in your neighborhood.
The investigation begins shortly after 7:30 Monday morning after a worker finds a body on the site alongside Highway 2A on the north side of Okotoks.
Forensic team's still out there.
Yeah, by the looks of it, yep.
Paul and Jackie White's place overlooks the site.
Police have been there all day long.
Work began about a month ago on this land, getting ready for a development that'll see 400 houses go in. Up until last year, it's been farmed, canola last summer. Now, a body turning up.
I don't know how long it's been out there or what. Seems to me a strange place to put it because of an active construction site. You might suspect they'd find it pretty quick.
RCMP officers from Calgary are down helping the investigation, not saying anything about how it's going. Neighbours like Michelle Fisher finding it all hard to believe.
Yeah, it's pretty shocking because everyone who lives here, they think it's an incredibly safe neighborhood. So it's a little worrying for sure.
The search for clues goes on. If you know anything that might help the investigation, police want to hear from you.
Well, if we see something, we'll let them know,
let them know, yeah.
Gil Tucker, Global News.